Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a super fun and easy way to make a trendy aesthetic gradient background using Canva. Even if you've never used Canva before, by the end of this video, you'll have a personalized gradient design with free sample color codes you can use anywhere, from social media posts to wallpapers. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in or make a free account if you need to. Canva's interface is really beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you've never played around with it before. Just head over to the homepage, and you'll see an inviting purple Create a Design button in the upper right corner. Click on that and you'll get a drop-down of options. Next, we want to set up our workspace to the perfect size. This is important because it'll make your gradient crisp and versatile. Instead of picking a preset size, look for Custom Size. It's usually right at the top of the list. Go ahead and type in 300 by 300 pixels. That small square is a great starting point. It's high enough resolution for most digital uses and is easy to scale up or down later. Once you've plugged in those numbers, hit the Create New Design button, and Canva will open a fresh new canvas for you. Now we're ready to bring in those beautiful gradient effects. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with several tabs. Click on the Elements tab. That's where Canva keeps all its building blocks from shapes to photos. In the search bar at the top of this tab, type Gradient Background. Canva has a big collection of both free and premium gradient elements. You'll see rectangles, circles, and all kinds of color blends. Scroll through and pick a gradient style that catches your eye. Maybe you want a pastel fade, a bold neon burst, or something moody and dark. You can always change your mind as you experiment. Here, where it gets creative, let's make this design truly yours. Click on the gradient element you like, and it'll automatically drop onto your canvas. Usually you'll see little color tiles at the top, letting you swap out the colors for whatever palette suits your vibe. For example, you might blend baby blue and soft lavender for a dreamy look, or play around with peach and mint for something fresher. If you're not sure what looks good, try pulling in colors from your favorite Instagram posts, Pinterest boards, or inspiration photos. Take your time here, there's really no right or wrong, and remember, you can always adjust later. Once you're happy with how your gradient looks, it's time to save your masterpiece. In the top right corner, you'll see the Share button in Canva. Click that and then select Download. For gradient backgrounds, PNG or JPG formats work best. Both give you a nice, crisp image. This part might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but once it's finished, your new aesthetic background is ready to use. That's all there is to it. You've just created a trendy gradient background in Canva and you didn't have to pay for anything. I hope this inspires you to play around with more color combinations. Feel free to use the samples and color codes Canva suggests or invent your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I'd love to hear what kind of gradients you came up with, so drop a comment down below with your favorite color combos or any questions you have. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy design tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.